Hi everyone, it's Nancy from Beauty 411, and today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to use the PaloVia Skin Renewing Laser. I'm on my third week of use and it couldn't be easier, and I'm getting great results with it, and that was one of the reasons I thought that you might find it interesting to know how easy it is to use and really how quickly a treatment takes. So there are a few things that we start out with prior to getting ready to do the treatment. I always have handy and on the counter my book just in case I have questions, but I also keep this out to show exactly the area around the eye that I should be working in. So it does show you in a nice easy to read format everything you want to know about the laser itself is in the book, and what to do. It's nicely illustrated with before and after pictures, how to get through the sessions, things like that. But I like to keep this picture handy just again to make sure I'm treating the correct area. The next thing is we're going to apply a pre-treatment gel, and this is something that you just take about a pea-sized amount and dab it around the eye area where the treatment is going to take place. And this is just basically to protect the eye area itself. So we want to make sure that we are taking those steps, and you don't need to rub it in. I just kind of dab it in, and I actually go a little bit in a larger area, again just because I want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. And then the third thing that we do is, this is what the device actually looks like, and this is the power button, and then this button, the large button up here, is the button that we actually press to do our stamps. So I'll turn the machine on, and I should have mentioned this is the display area. You'll see that light up in just a minute. And you can hear the machine as it makes kind of a crackling noise as it starts. And then this is a close-up look at the display. And what the display area shows is that the battery is about 2/3 charged. In the middle it shows that I've got 24 stamps, and it actually defaults to 25. I did one to test. And then it also shows that I'm using this on the high setting. Okay, so to go ahead and get started, you basically just put the laser unit to your eye area, and you'll see that when you have contact, it emits a blue light, and then you just press. So it has about 7 pulses to a stamp, and then you're going to just work your way around the eye area. And continue to treat until you've gotten as many areas as you want to work on. For me, I probably do about 6 to 8 stamps per eye. So that's it for my right eye, and you can see surrounding the area once the treatment is complete, it does get warm and it does turn pink. That's nothing to be concerned about. It does resolve a couple of hours after the treatment. So generally I do my treatments at night before bed. And then that way, when I wake up in the morning, there is, maybe a little residual pinkness. You can see this was from last night, but nothing that can't be, hidden with the use of concealer, or, even just a foundation over it generally takes care of hiding that. Okay, so let's do the other side. And again, you're going to find your area. The blue light goes on. And make your way around the eye. And sometimes it can be a little tricky if you're on that bone. You just have to reposition it. And the other thing is sometimes if you apply a lot of the gel, which I tend to do, you just need to wipe that off between stamps. And then I'm going to come back and do 3 more. And that's it. Now all I have to do is wash off the pre-treatment gel, go on with my regular skincare routine, and I'm done for the day. So I hope that you found that helpful, and if you have any more questions, you can always feel free to check out one of my posts on Beauty 411 on the PaloVia, or just send me an email at beauty411net@gmail.com, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks, everyone.